Everyone wants to crack GATE examination, but some gets through while others couldn't. Rohit is one of them, who eagerly wants to crack GATE examination but couldn't. Why? Because of his daily job schedule. He's messed up and he couldn't manage his studies. There are so many Rohits out there who couldn't prepare enough for the exam because of no daily evening lectures. Yes, you heard right. GateFlix introduces every evening lectures for 2 hours between 9:30 and 11:30 p.m. for every GATE aspirant who couldn't give time during the day. We designed this time as most of you have done your daily routine and are ready to make study progress. As you're a working professional, a college passout, a college student, or a hostelite, you can spend at least 2 hours of valuable study time to crack this examination. Only for your convenience is GateFlix here. GateFlix gives you quality education with having India's best of the faculties who will teach you between 9:30 and 11:30 p.m. every day from Monday to Friday, so you can enjoy your weekend. Get enrolled today on GateFlix.in and choose your stream at very affordable prices.